Danny Hayasaka here with Call One Inc. and I'm super excited. We're at Enterprise Connect 2018 and we're gonna do an exclusive unboxing video of the new Jabra Engage franchise. And so let's take a look. So we'll take this guy, open it up. First you have your base. This particular model happens to be the convertible style. So you will have the headband, includes a behind the neck band, more ear hook, or another ear hook there, this little thing that no one ever reads. And it's got your cables for your phone, for your PC, and of course you have your power. So what makes this new Jabra Engage franchise awesome? Well, number one, they've done some awesome engineering work that allows you to put a bunch of these units, 3 times more units than you could normally with other wireless solutions. Additionally, you have multiple connectivity options. You have your dual connectivity options, which is your Engage 65. You have your Engage 75, which is a penta connectivity. And what does that mean? Penta 5. So you can connect to your desk phone, 2 Bluetooth devices, and 2 USB devices. So you can connect to your laptop and a USB phone, right? Or phone that supports USB connectivity. Another great feature is these things are super durable. I mean, look at this. Look at that, that's not breaking. Plus, let's take a look at the interactive display here. So you can change the language. So it makes it for easy setup for your IT departments. Another great feature about the Jabra Engage franchise, they have the highest level of deck security, which is level C. And what does that mean? It's pretty secure. Next, you have 3 wearing styles. So you have your dual ear wearing style, your single ear wearing style, and as I showed you here, your convertible wearing style. And they are certified for open office environments in Microsoft. If you want to learn more, look at the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.